Will you share how you make change in other people?
The direction what people take, we're controlled by two things: belief and our values. So it's about looking at, it's having the ability and going, what are these beliefs that that person's got? I look to create doubt around that belief. So whatever that story is, I look at that story. I'm listening to those things like, I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy enough. And then it's, well, tell me what evidence you've got to back that up. And once I've created doubt around that belief, it's then swapping that for an empowering belief. So if you can change someone's beliefs, the rest of it will take care of themselves. Like I believe personally, I'm here because I'm able to shift belief in other people. I believe I'm one of the best in the world at doing that with the specific model that I use.